In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and sell an online course. The goal of this walkthrough is to help you build the foundation of your course quickly, from creating the course itself to adding your first modules and lectures. As you follow along, keep your screen open so you can match each button and field with what you see. First, navigate to Assets, then go to Courses. This is where the platform groups everything related to course content, so you can manage it from one place. When you reach the Courses area, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right section, because the next actions depend on being inside the course management page. Next, click Create. This will start the setup process for a new course. If you see a form or setup panel appear, that is exactly what you want. This step matters because it creates a new course record, which then allows you to add content and configure how your course will look and function. Now you will enter the course title and description. Choose a clear title that tells people what they will learn, and use the description to explain who the course is for and what results they can expect. After that, you will configure the settings, including the domain, theme, and instructor. The domain setting typically controls how the course appears on your site or where it is hosted, and the theme helps determine the look and feel for learners. The instructor field connects your course to the person leading it, so it builds credibility and clarity for students. When you finish reviewing these details, you are ready to lock in the setup. After you have filled in everything, click Save. This step confirms your entries and generates the course structure needed for later content. If you do not click Save, your changes may not carry over, so make sure you wait for the page to confirm the update. Once the course is saved, click Add Module to organize your content. A module is a container that helps you group lectures into logical sections. For example, you might group lectures by topic, lesson number, or learning stage. Click Add Module and then follow whatever prompts appear so the module can be created within your course. This organization step makes the course easier to navigate and helps learners stay on track. Next, click Add Lecture. Lectures are where your actual teaching content lives, such as uploaded videos, text materials, and files. When you add a lecture, you will typically choose or upload the video, include any supporting text, and attach files learners might need. Take your time here and make sure each lecture includes the correct media and information for that specific module. This is the moment where your course becomes real for students, because this is the content they will access and learn from. After you upload and fill in the lecture details, click Save for each lecture to finalize your content. Saving is important because it ensures the lecture is stored correctly inside the module and becomes visible in your course outline. If you plan to add multiple lectures, repeat this process. Add lecture, upload and enter the relevant details, and then save so nothing gets missed. As you continue adding modules and lectures, keep your structure consistent. This helps learners understand where they are in the course and what they should watch or read next. When you finish the content you want to include for your initial version, you will have a clear, organized course built on modules with lectures inside each one. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.